You have fun at the party?
Yeah, fun at the party.
Yeah, guys, so we went for a pool party. So guys, welcome to my channel. Today in this video I'm just gonna be doing some cleaning in the beginning, and then you guys will just spend the rest of the weekend with me, and I do have a review after this, so stay tuned. Let's do this together, okay? So for this microwave, I literally have been procrastinating cleaning this microwave for the last 5 days. So I was like, let me just do it today, and I'll take you guys along. I'll just be going in right now, which is what I'm doing, my sponge with some dish soap in it, and then when I'm done, I'll go in with my fiber cleaning cloth. I'm wetting the cleaning cloth. Once I'm done with that, I use a paper towel to, just take the dampness away from it, and that's it. How do you guys clean your microwave? Any suggestion? Please leave it for me in the comment section down below. I mean, this is what works for me,
Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive. Nothing in sight, forever in flight. Follow those lines, we'll make it this time. Blurry street lights.
So guys, actually my house is not really dirty this weekend. I'm just doing a touch-up cleaning, which is what you guys are seeing here, and that's why you see that I'm just finishing the rest. I actually did clean last night, so here I just want to put some finishing touches, let everything look shiny. Just I don't like stains on my steel, so that's why I'm always cleaning it, like just constantly making sure it stays clean. I can't stand stains. I'm a little bit OCD.
Work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight. Oh yeah, we'll make it tonight. Yeah, I'll do anything that I...
Alright guys, so here I'm gonna be doing a review of Dinnerly meal kit. This was gotten for me again by my brother. And Dinnerly, who is Dinnerly, or what is Dinnerly? Dinnerly is a meal kit that was created for people who like homemade cooking but don't like overpaying for the good things which they buy at the store. If you guys understand what I mean, you just don't want to pay too much for what you're buying, but you still want to eat good quality food. So this is it, and here there's some broccoli, 2 bags of broccoli actually, and then here we do have some burger bun, and what's this? Yeah, that's some spinach. The most popular meal plan that they do have is a 3 days meal plan, or thereabout. They have 3 days, 4 days, 5 days, and 6-day meal plan. They plan your meals for you. They have vegan options as well, so for those of you who are vegetarians, it's not a bad idea. I'm gonna give you guys my take on what I do think about this. Then here are some potatoes. So how it works is you go on their website, you pick the kind of food you want. They got pictures on there. They have the recipe for you to follow, the recipe instructions for you to follow. So anything they send to you, you technically know what you're preparing. It's on the site. This is some taco seasoning. And here you guys can see just everything you need to make a meal that would last you, but you don't have to spend so much money. That's some pastorini spice for pasta. And I mean, basically they sent all the necessary things that you're going to be needing to prepare all the meals that you must have picked from, or I must have picked from. But it was my brother that got this for me. This is turkey broth from concentrate, and they have the recipe on their site. So once you just get your box, you go back on the site, follow the instructions. There's some chicken breast, just the right portion. Wow. Okay guys, so far I'm impressed, no lie. I can't even lie. This is for cheese lovers. Beautiful pasta. Some ground beef. They do say everything is freshly delivered to you. We're gonna see about that. And how it works is you pay a certain amount monthly. So per serving it costs about $4.69. You can skip weeks, which is a good thing. So if you're like, this week I just don't want to cook, I want to eat out, there are other options. So you don't need to pay. Some sour cream, you could just skip some weeks as well. Mild cheddar cheese. So far I'm liking what I see. As you guys can see in here, there's some dried ice already that's melted. It's all my fault. I didn't get home on time to know that I did have a package waiting for me. So everything is recyclable, which is good. There's some beef, steak, some steak ranch. So this is what I want to be preparing this evening. I'm gonna have to dice some of the beef and the broccoli, my garlic. Now this is my own recipe. I didn't take this from them. I just decided to, you know what, let me just save myself the stress of going to their website, since I wasn't the one that ordered it. My brother ordered it for me as a gift. Like, my brother is always giving me stuff. Isn't he amazing, guys? And then this is just my own recipe, me making my own thingy, you know. I'm just gonna go in with all this, just prepare myself something light for dinner for myself and Mr. T. So I've steamed my broccoli, which is a good thing. So now I'm just gonna go ahead and make my beef stew. Well, do I call it stew? Beef sauce. That beef wasn't looking so fresh, so that should be my fault, I guess, because this was actually sent to me via mail. They posted it. So I'm thinking, well, but the beef was sweet. Let's just leave it like that. So it's my fault that beef actually changed color. And this is what I was able to prepare, guys. Look at how succulent and delicious and yummy this is looking. So I'm gonna be having this with some rice. Did you have fun at the party?
Yeah, we're at the party.
Yeah, guys, so we went for a pool party. And I just got back. I rested well before coming downstairs. It's dark already, and you guys know what that means. It's time for the next day. So I just want to prep my stuff for the week, basically my drinks, get myself set. Show you guys what I got from the party. Well, this is Mr. T's food. Let me show you guys what it looks like. This is Mr. T's leftover fried rice. This is some meat pie, and this is some puff puff that I got from the party. This is it. So I will be warming this up now. Izzy, do you want some puff puff?
Yeah, I want Papa and Anna.
Okay, so I'm gonna be warming this up. This is the remaining stuff. This we just got also that, but I also brought some amala. There's something we call amala. That's some type of food with vegetable, and this is my own food that I brought. I was eating it when I came back. It's still leftover stuff, so I'm just gonna be trashing all this, but I'll be keeping this. I'll clean up first because I gotta fix this place. You guys see I spilled a little bit of oil on the drinks, so I have to rinse that as well. So I will just fix all this. Once I'm done fixing all this, then I will start prepping my stuff for tomorrow. However, I do have water on the fire here. I made some egusi soup yesterday, so my mom is going to be making some tuwo shinkafa, so we're going to have that for the week. It's part of the that's what we're going to be eating the egusi soup with, so you guys should stay tuned and let's do this together, okay? Yeah, I'm going to prep stuff that I'm going to be eating this week. You guys should stay tuned. This should go in the trash. Put it in the recycle. It's Ariel's food. Did your daddy buy this for you guys, or you guys got it from the party?
You would buy it for me?
Your daddy bought it for you. Let me see. This kid just has so many toys. Israel, don't tell Nana that the water is boiling. Alright guys, so I just want to prep my smoothie. If you know me very well, you've been following my channel very well, you will know I take my smoothies, I make my smoothies every Sunday, so I take it during the week. So right now I just want to go ahead and prep the smoothies. I'm just bringing out everything that I'm going to be needing for this smoothie, and also I'm going to be making some salad, or do I say coleslaw? It's from coleslaw for myself. That's some granola with coconut spice in it. I love coconut. And then that's my honey.
Feel like I wanna do, I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night if that's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna.
And so guys, here I'm just trying to get all my jars. I've got 5 jars where I do store all my smoothies in. I put them in there and keep them in the fridge.
Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? I'm in a race that everybody's chasing fast. They wanna be that someone on the screen at last. They ain't looking inside for their needs in life. They wanna be like by everybody in sight, but trust me, being free ain't spotlights. No, it's long nights and it's long fights with yourself all the time to get your mind right. But if you put in the work, you can find the light. Alright, I'll do anything that I feel like I wanna do. I'm living life like I got nothing left to prove. No end in sight, just always staying on the move. I'll go all night.
Okay, yeah, this is a tuwo shinkafa that my mom made. We're gonna be having this all week. So everything.
That's just what I gotta do. Life's too short to care about what you can't afford. Memories are in what you explore, so just don't be ignored. Go ask for more, go ask for more. Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living
Okay guys, so here I just want to prep the coleslaw that I'm going to be having all week. This is going to be my lunch, the smoothies breakfast. And there's my raisins. How many of you guys like raisins in your coleslaw or your salad? There's just something about it, that sweet feeling that it gives. I really do love it. Anyway, if you are still watching my video to this extent, I really do appreciate you. You're the real MVP. Thank you so much for all the love and the support. Please do remember to hit the like and the subscribe button at the end of this video. God bless you all. Please share as well.
Country limit, I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Cause I've been living life right like I could just die any minute. Going for a ride down the side, PCH, country limit. I don't need a guide, follow lights, take me where I wanna visit. Are you alive? Or just breathing? Flashing red lights, driving at night, windowless ride, feeling alive, nothing in sight, forever in flight, follow those lines, we'll make it this time, blurry street lights, work as a guide to memories that we're making tonight, oh yeah, we'll make it tonight, yeah, I'll do it.